My portrait try came out with wimpy colors, so I wanted to put in some bold strokes. Problem with bold strokes are if they're, wrong, it's going to look really dumb. So I was cautiously trying to add more layers of, color to achieve depth or circumstance or refinement, and I don't really know how to do it, so I was sort of guessing as I went, following subtle differences of tone in the face, and here I thought I'd put some striking detail in the eyes, which I don't know if that exactly worked out, but anyway, that was my attempt to add refinement to the portrait, which does not look anything like my granddaughter, but has redeeming qualities such as, some good flesh tones, a good form. It does look like a kid, that's for sure. And there's trying to fix the hair. The hair was like a disaster. I definitely gotta go back to hair painting school. That's gonna be my next stop. Thanks for watching.